Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I will show you unboxing of Boston 1500. So guys, I will open and show you how it's work and features of the speaker. So watch till the end, and now I am starting my video. So before going to start video, subscribe my channel, and if you like my video, please hit that like button and press the bell icon to get the notification of my video. So guys, I am going to unboxing this speaker, so watch. So this is a Boston 1500 speaker, and you got this is carrying step. It comes with the 40 watts output, which gives you high levels of sound and thumping bass. Boston 1500 having a high capacity of battery, which gives you maximum 41 hours of playback, and it also having an indoor and outdoor mode. And now I am going to talk about this TWS mode, which gives you total 40 plus 40 watts, gives you for 80 watts of sound output, so it becomes feel like a home theater. So I am going now putting this strap. With the help of this, you can carry wherever you go or are going. You can carry. Now I am going to put on the speaker and play the music. So
Power on. You've plugged into Nirvana. Your device is ready to pair.
this is a on off button. So this is a pause button. So
You're now connected to Stone 1500.
you can pause the music and also play. This is a volume control. If you want to decrease the volume, you can use this minus button. This is a plus button. You can increase the volume if you want higher. So now I am going to play the music. So let's see how it gives you the output of music. speaker. If you want to purchase this speaker, I have given you the link in the description box. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and hit the like button, and thanks guys for watching my video.